Hi, my name is Igor and I'm 24 years old. I'm from Montenegro, where I'm currently finishing up my Masters in AI and Machine Learning. Here is my workshop where I do all my studying, experiments and disassembly. My skill for you is creative IT skills. I think creative IT skills are important because they provide a much needed outlet for people's creativity and ingenuity. These projects can be a bit frustrating at times, but they're also fun to do and can teach you very important life skills. There's always something you can do with creative IT skills. My country is pretty good at providing the environment and education for people interested in technical and creative fields. Local communities are often very supportive too. Despite that, we need to improve access to tools and components for young people to continue to develop their hobbies so that later, when they are skilled, they might turn them into careers and don't have to leave Montenegro to find a well-paying job. Let's work together on skills.